Good morning, class 8. The next topic which we are going to start, that is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is basically the combination or the total energy of potential energy and kinetic energy. So if we are talking about potential energy and kinetic energy, means we are talking about a state of rest and motion. Okay, state of rest deals with potential energy, and motion, where the term motion comes, that deals with kinetic energy. So what is mechanical energy? The energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest and motion. Two kinds of mechanical energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. And what is total mechanical energy? That is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Sum of both the energies will give you what? Mechanical energy. Few examples are there. After discussing today's potential energy topic, you will tell me from these examples which are the examples of potential energy. Okay. For example, car in motion. Car is moving, car is in motion. You are stretching a bow. Rock on a high hill. Moving arm of a clock. Swinging of pendulum. Okay. So first of all, we are going, this you will answer, bacha. So first of all, we are going to discuss about potential energy. Potential energy, again, it's of two types. But actually what the term potential energy means, but a potential is a Latin word which means to be able. ठीक है, to be able. To sign to represent it, that is P dot E dot or U. Any one sign you can write to represent potential energy. It's of two types, elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. ठीक है, होता क्या है अब ये? This is basically the energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest or position. Due to its state of rest or position. When the body is at rest, fine, अगर वो किसी proper position में है तो that save energy in it. ठीक है, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टेकिंग वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, सपोज आई एम हैविंग स्प्रिंग इन माई हैंड. ठीक है, उस स्प्रिंग को मैंने कंप्रेस कर दिया. ठीक है, आई एम हैविंग अ स्प्रिंग हेयर. मैंने इस स्प्रिंग को कंप्रेस कर दिया. ठीक है, अब मैं जब इस स्प्रिंग को छोड़ूंगी, ये व्हेन आई लीव दिस स्प्रिंग फ्रॉम कंप्रेशन, इट विल बी अगेन लाइक दिस. सो व्हाट हैपन इन दिस कंडीशन? When you are compressing the spring, you are storing the energy in it. When you leave the spring, that stored energy helps to again bring that spring in its actual position. Okay. So what is potential energy? The energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest or position is called potential energy. Same thing they have written here. The work done to store the energy in the body. Actually, the energy stored in the body when the work has been done by the force. Work अभी किया था हमने spring पे in bringing that body to the state of rest or position. हम उसे किस में लेके आए थे? एक proper position में लेके आए थे by compressing. इसमें energy save हो गई. ये जो work done save हुई है energy, that is further used to move that spring. Fine. अब मेरे पास एक bow है. ठीक है, suppose like this it is. When we are having arrow in it, तो we stretch it ना. ठीक हो गया. When you leave that arrow, how your bow will be? Bow will be same like this when I leave that arrow. So ये position पे क्या हुआ? Work done हुआ. What that work done? That bring that arrow into motion and that arrow moves and it comes back to its original position. So this kind of energy is known as elastic potential energy. Either you are stretching a rubber band, pushing a spring, but again it comes back to its original position because of the work done on that body for changing its state of rest or position. That work done is further used to again bring that body into its normal position. Next we are having gravitation potential energy. Now we know if this is earth, Earth is what having? Earth is having gravity. Earth is having gravity. Force of gravity is there on Earth. If we are talking about the Earth's surface, force of gravity is there. Force of gravity is there. What that force of gravity is doing? Applying a force on this body. अब इस बॉल को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? I am lifting this body up and placing it here. मैंने क्या किया? I have done work against the force of gravity to bring that body at some height. I have done work against the force of gravity to bring that body at some height. So what I have done, when a body is taken from the surface to the height, work done, मैंने किसके अगेंस्ट काम किया? वर्क हैज टू बी डन ऑन द बॉडी अगेंस्ट द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी. दिस वर्क इज स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी. When you are working against the force of gravity and that work done is stored in the body, that is what gravitational potential energy. Hills at some height, they are at some position, the energy possessed due to position in that, and that is what working against the force of gravity of earth. Hill गिरती तो नहीं है ना उसी वक्त. So that is what a rock on a top hill. See what I am having. Suppose I roll this rock and place it here. ठीक है, ये हिल भी किसी हाइट पे है, किसी पोजीशन पे है अर्थ से, काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाइट पे. देन ऑल्सो ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज देयर. एंड नाउ यू आर लिफ्टिंग. वर्क डन अगेंस्ट द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ओके, सेटिंग इट एट सम पोजीशन. सो दैट इज व्हाट gravitational potential energy. Now the next example which is given in your book. देखो एक branch of a tree is that I am bringing that branch down. Fine, मैंने इस branch पे काम किया. I have done the work on this branch. I have moved that branch from its actual position. When I leave that branch again come back to its original position. Why? Because when you are bringing that branch down, you are doing the work on that branch. Because of that work done, it again come back to its original position. So that's all about your potential energy. Kindly read this topic from your book. Thank you. Have a great day.